Light does not reveal itself all at once. It moves in rhythms, in contractions and expansions, in moments of drawing inward, in moments of gentle release. There is wisdom in this movement, for before light can be seen, it must first be held, and before it can be held, space must be made. This is why your life has seasons. Times of clarity, times of uncertainty, times when you feel close to truth, and times when it feels distant. Nothing here is wasted. The hidden and the revealed are not opposites. They are partners. One prepares the ground, the other brings forth what has been growing unseen. Within you live many sparks. Some are awake, some are resting, some are buried beneath memory, habit, or fear. These sparks are patient. They wait for recognition, not rescue. You do not awaken them through effort. You awaken them through alignment. When your inner world moves in integrity, when your thoughts, emotions, and actions begin to agree, a quiet repair takes place, fragments soften, tension loosens, the sparks respond. This repair is subtle, often invisible, yet it reshapes the inner structure of your being. You were not formed to live divided, not between spirit and body, not between longing and practicality, not between who you are and who you think you should be. You were formed as a meeting place. When opposing parts within you stop fighting, light flows between them. When gentleness replaces control, wisdom rises naturally. The feminine current within creation moves this way. It gathers rather than conquers. It receives rather than demands. It reveals by allowing. This is why forcing clarity often creates confusion, and yielding to presence brings understanding. You do not need to search endlessly for what is sacred. It moves toward you the moment you become still enough to notice. Every act of patience lifts something unseen. Every choice rooted in compassion restores balance. Every moment you live from truth rather than fear realigns what was scattered. The world feels unfinished because it is mid-restoration, and you are not watching from the outside. You are participating when you live as though your inner state matters. When you honor the quiet work happening within you, the hidden light begins to speak through your life, not loudly, not dramatically, but steadily, reliably, in ways that last. And the light recognizes itself in you, and the movement continues. The light does not ask you to be perfect. It asks you to be present. Presence is what allows the scattered to return. It is how the inner fractures soften. It is how the hidden remembers where it belongs. Many sparks are lifted not through grand actions, but through small moments of awareness, pausing before reacting, choosing honesty over comfort, resting when your body asks instead of pushing through. These moments may seem ordinary, yet they are the true work of restoration. When you tend to your inner world with care, you participate in a greater healing, not by fixing others, but by bringing coherence where there was once division. Light flows best where there is agreement within you, where your words reflect your truth, where your actions align with your values. This alignment creates a channel, and through that channel, life moves more freely. The feminine current within you knows this rhythm well. It understands that wholeness is not achieved by force, but by inclusion. Nothing is cast out, nothing is shamed away. Even your shadows carry information, even your resistance holds wisdom. When you listen rather than suppress, another layer integrates. As this integration deepens, you may notice a change, less urgency, less inner noise, a quiet confidence that does not need validation. This is light settling into form. It does not separate you from the world. It roots you more deeply within it. You begin to move differently, speak differently, choose differently. Not because you are trying to be better, but because you are becoming more whole. The work continues gently, breath by breath, choice by choice, and though you may not always feel the shift, something within creation responds. For every time a spark is lifted within you, balance is restored beyond you, and the light keeps moving.